Hi there, Micah here with Barber Haskill. Today I want to do a quick little video tutorial, if you will, on cleaning your glass top cooktop on your range. Now, electric, induction, it doesn't matter. A lot of times people come in and they're angry at the glass top or don't know how to clean it or say it's hard to clean. A lot of times maybe they don't know different things to do, don't know that they can use a razor blade, different things. So just gonna do a quick video here to show you how I clean my glass top at home. Now here at Barber Haskill, we sell different brands of cleaners. The one I'm gonna be using today is a Camerico. It's the one I use at home. Couple reasons I like it. The kit, when you buy it, it comes with scour sponge, also comes with the razor blade and extra blades, and it comes with a big jug of cleaner. Now, this cleaner works really well. Another reason why I like it is that it smells good. It smells citrusy. So normally what I do is I will take something, a cloth, paper towel or something, and clean off the loose debris or dirt on the range. And then what I'll do is I'll use this cleaner and I will put it all over the range. I will then take the sponge, move it all around the range, the white cream, so it's everywhere. Now, a lot of times this cream and the sponge will do enough to clean the glass top, but a lot of times what happens is you have a boil over and things get caked onto the glass top, and that's what gets a little bit harder. So what I do is I move it all around, then I'll take the razor blade, and anywhere that it's caked on, you can use the flat razor blade and just scrape it right off. You don't have to worry about the lines on the rings. They won't scrape off, but you use this to kind of get any caked on scraped off. And then what I'll do is I'll use the sponge to clean off the excess. Sometimes you have to rinse the sponge a couple times. And then what I'll do is just take some more paper towel or a cloth and just wipe off any excess to get it shining. And just like that, the glass top is spotless. Now this is something I do whenever I get a mess. The hardest thing with cleaning the glass top is when you have a boil over and it cakes on. You turn it off, go to bed, come back tomorrow and cook again. That's what makes it really hard. So the best thing to do is to let your glass top cool down and clean it off right away to avoid any caked on hard messes that are impossible to get off. The only times you ever clean it when it's still hot is any sugary spillovers. Now, if you have any other questions on how to clean your range or products, come into Barber & Haskill and see us anytime.